Hello my dear crafters, today I'm going to help you save some money. So what I want to invite you to do is to go to your local dollar store. Here in Oregon we have our dollar store is called Dollar Tree. But they're very similar, so just look for the one that you have nearby. I used to be very biased against it, but for some reason, especially within the last 6 months, a year at the most, they have invested so much on crafting products. Just take a look at the local store because they have what they call now Crafters Square. See this? Crafters Square. They have a huge area for crafting supplies now, and these are the same things that you find at other stores. So I really think it's worth it looking at. So today I'm going to show you some of the products that I always buy there because it's good quality. It's the same that you find in any other crafting store and much cheaper. Okay, so let's just start with the everyday things, right? Glue. For example, glue. I use this tacky glue a lot. It's really strong. It's very good. The only thing that I don't use it for is when I'm doing tutorials here because it's not very fast drying. That's the only disadvantage that I see in this tacky glue, but it's very consolidated in terms of the brand is very good brand, Aline's Original, and they have this at the dollar store. This size specifically, 3 ounces. They also have a pack of 3. So guys, honestly, I actually did some research online before I did this video, and most of the things that I'm showing you, these, if you buy anywhere else, you're going to buy it for at least 2.5 the price, at least. I've seen it for 3 times more or 4 times. So glue, this one is worth it. They have other kinds like Elmer's. Do not buy that. That Elmer's glue is pure water. It's going to warp your paper and just not very good quality. It's great for kids, but not for crafting, as I'm sure you know. Here's the other thing too, in terms of gluing, right? We use a lot of these foam adhesive. I use a lot of it for dimension. This is how much you can buy there. All of this for $1.25, because now they're a dollar store, but they're $1.25. It's usually this brand here. That's how it comes. So it's double-sided foam tape, and it has the 14 feet. So it is a lot, and you get this. This is one of the most expensive things you buy for crafting in terms of glue and adhesive. So really worth it. I buy all mine there. And the other thing that I really like about it is that it's not very thick. Look at how thick it is. It's perfect thickness for me, because sometimes you buy these and they're so thick that I just don't think it looks right. So that's the other thing that I buy that is still on adhesive. So here it is, Crafter Square. They have a lot of dots, mini dots of all sizes. This is a big one, but you can get a lot of dots. Glue dots. Let me see how many come in this. 72 glue dots for $1. I mean, just go online and try to find glue dots and you see the price. So you get 72. It's really worth it. Again, double-sided tape, and here you have 33 feet. This is not foam, it's just double-sided tape. They have other sizes. I just have like a small amount here to show you what is worth going to the Dollar Tree for. So that's adhesive alone, right? Let me just put this aside so I have some space here. These I use a lot. Velcro dots, these mini Velcro dots. They have bigger ones too, but this one you get 100. 100 for $1.25. You know how expensive these things can be. It's the absolute same product that you find anywhere, and you get 100 of them. So just go online and try to find out the price, and you see how right I am. This is another everyday thing that I use a lot, and they have other sizes too. These are kind of spatula when you're gluing stuff and you need to just straighten it out really well, or when you're folding stuff and you need to burnish. This is perfect size for that, so I use it a lot. Again, $1.25. I'm not telling you the price because you know it's a dollar store. These guys, this is like $5 if you buy anywhere else, and you get, this is something that I use over and over again all the time. This is something that you use when you get glue, and you know, crafters, you get glue everywhere all the time. So you have that extra glue that's not supposed to be there. You just use this. It's like an eraser, but it's an eraser for glue, and it removes the eraser. It's one of those must-haves, and you find that at the dollar store as well. And let me just show you some more stuff. Let me show you the Halloween stuff that I just got yesterday, okay? It just shows you how all the stuff that they have that's really worth getting. Yesterday I got these foam roses, which I'm going to use for the lid of boxes, on the top of the lid, or maybe in front of treat boxes. These are really, really nice, and they're flat, so it's easy to glue. Again, it's every holiday I go there to see what they have and what I can use. They have a lot of assortment on, and usually it's two for $1, 2 cards for $1. And this one I really like. What I'm going to use it for, this is a 5x7, is for a notebook. I will do a tutorial here, and I'll show you how to use this as the front and back. This is going to be the front cover of the notebook, and this is going to be the back. So I will do a tutorial for you guys on this, okay? Got some of these stickers. These are wood stickers. Look how cute they are. They're great for embellishments. And you get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 of those. Some more stickers here that I got. These are just regular stickers, but they do have some foam, so they are dimensional. Very cute, look at that. So I'm going to use those on Halloween projects too. I love this one because they're pastel. I love pastel. So some pumpkins. These are great for fall or Halloween. I love these. They have a huge assortment of transfers and stickers. So I always go, I mean, most of them, not to my taste, but sometimes you find something like this that's really beautiful. If you have like just a blank page and you just create your own pattern. So that's what I use those for. And I got this. I'm going to open it because I think you will see it better. I got these two because I'm going to use those for treat boxes. But look how cute these are. These are felt stickers, little owls. So very cute embellishment that you can use. And these are like the holiday things. They're always changing. I'm going to show you some more stickers since we're talking about stickers, but some that I got these. Very cute. They're dimensional too. Look at that. I'm going to get some of the light off your face here. But these are very nice for, again, your projects, your albums, your boxes. These are great for summer. These are some others. They are pop-up too, some of these, and they have beautiful sentiments. It's like chalk. It's imitating chalk. These are cute for kids too, if you're making something for kids. And it's all the crafted square. See, they call it the square. It's like a huge aisle. These are transfers, rub-on transfers. Very nice too. I love this one with the birds. So you just have to go there and find what you like. I am going to make, let me just stop, my phone is ringing here. I'm going to make a notebook on travel, and I'm going to use some of this. I love, these are one of my favorites. I buy them over and over again. These are beautiful butterflies. They are dimensional, and I use those on my notebook covers. They are beautiful. Look at that. They have foil. So just go and take a look and see, find what you like. That's a marine one. Stickers again. These are all stickers, pop up. Very cute too. So these are some of the things that I buy. The other items that they're really worth buying, and you've seen me use this over and over again. If you have seen my craft fair ideas video, you will have seen these, but I want to just emphasize that I buy these notepads all the time, and they come in sometimes colored like this, which I love. Sometimes you can find them white too, and I just turned something like this into this, so into a beautiful notebook with a pen. I have a tutorial on this. I'll have it all the links below, and for my other video as well, for the ideas for craft fairs. So you get something like this, and you can turn into beautiful presents and gifts and craft fair items. Here's another one, same idea. What I do is I just create the cover, and with this side here, that where you can put a pen. So that's an idea. That's one of the things that I do. And they have those in many different colors. You can get in colorful too. These bigger ones is 5 by 8, and those I turn into something like this. Or I also do those, the one that I just showed you with the pen on this size. But you can make so many different projects with these notebooks, and you always get three of those. So you can do individually like this. Again, I'll have the link below for the tutorials. Or you can get the mini ones. I love these mini ones. These are great for creating. You can change. I don't like this cover, so I always change it with paper. But you can have it as an insert inside like a chipboard album. There's so many things you can do with this mini here, and you get 3 of those. Again, $1.25. And sometimes you have items like this that I found on mine, that you open. It's a box, and you open, and you have all the sticky notes here of different sizes, and I turn that into something like this. So it's just having an open mind and ideas, and just really go with time. Just look around, see what you can find around your dollar store, and what you can transform, how you can transform all that they have into beautiful things. They have all kinds of sizes of just more sizes of these sticky notes, which are perfect for albums and things like that, that you can just use parts of that. You don't have to use all of these, but you know, it's creativity. It's what we do, right? We're crafters. We look around, we find something like that, and like a sticky note like this. It's one of those 3 by 3 inches by 3 inches sticky notes, and you can turn into something like this. It's beautiful. It has, see those glue dots, those velcros that I just showed you. See, that's one way of using those, and I use those a lot for all the boxes and things like this. Here's something else that is so worth it buying there. You get these foam sheets to use for dimensions, and you get 32 of those. They're perfect size for card bases, or just to use on those either stickers that you're going to use or stamped images, and you need to add some dimension. These are perfect for that. I always have them around. And here is, the last thing that I want to tell you about the dollar store is, don't just go to the crafters area, because you will find so many things you can use elsewhere. Here is an example. I went the other day, I was just walking around, and I went to the automotive of all things area, and I found this hardware storage box, and these are perfect for storing things like this. Let me show you what I use it for. So every time I cut my little things, I put them inside these boxes, because then I know where they are. I have some cats here, see? So these are hard to find places to put them in. You put them in little bags, and then you forget where they are. So that's what they're great for storage and knowing where your things are. I have these little hearts here. So little things that you cut and you don't know what to do when you have extra, because I always cut a lot of everything just so I don't have to do it every time. So the leftovers, these are great to keep them in these one in the man quote unquote area, right? The other thing that I found the other day were these sheets here. They have adhesive on the back. They are wallpaper. They're actually wallpaper, so you can just peel it off. But guys, look at all this beautiful wallpaper that they have, and you can use this as background. Or remember when I showed you how to turn a card into a box, and I actually used chipboard. I use those on my notebooks all the time. These are great because you don't even have to add glue or those double-sided tape. You can just use this as the background, and they already come with the adhesive. Oh, look at this. They have beautiful different designs, so just check what you like. And they're very big. Let me show you. They're 16 by 11. They're 16 by 11, so you can make a lot of things from one. This is my favorite. These are wallpapers. So this is actually in the home area of the Dollar Tree. So just walk around, open your mind, and don't go just to the area that is specifically for crafting. And just to end, paper, right? When we want gold paper, these are the most expensive papers. You know that when we want gold or anything that is sparkly, papers can be expensive. And yesterday I bought this paper, which is a beautiful, very thick cardstock. I don't know if I'm going to open this, but it's so big. I mean, look at this. It's very, very big. I don't know. I'm going to tell you that it's at least 20 by 12, 20 inches by 12. One huge sheet of paper for $1.25. And last but not least, I bought these clamps. These were in the Craft Square too, but I use these to hold things together when they need more time for gluing. And I don't say anything crochet related here, but these pom-pom makers, they're very expensive when you try to buy them anywhere else. And look, they have those. You can actually use this little one for your paper projects because these make very tiny pom-pom, and they're great, very easy to use. They have different sizes. I mean, they are really expanding the crafting area. So I do invite you to come to your local store, and if you don't have a local store, not a problem, because they sell it online as well. Usually bulk, but you can buy it online. So go to the dollar store near your house, explore, go with time, just take your time and see all the things that you can find and use for your beautiful crafting, okay? So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for being here again, guys. Go craft and have some fun, okay? Have a good day.